Hi, this is a small manual explaining the main use case of this time attendance solution. First of all, in the login page, you are able to enter in the system with different roles. If you just want to apply one manual event for time attendance, you enter in the attendance option. If you want to enter as a manager, not all the users will be able to have a manager role, only one user or few users in the organizations. They will be able to manage all the information of each employee, and they will be able also to approve the attendance manual events that were generated by the employees, and also he will be able to manage everything relative to the devices. This is the main page of the solution. In the main page, you are able to monitor the time attendance events of the current day, and also first of all, we need to set the work with the Unix. So each client will have a license for manage their Unix directory. In this case, by the side of Identitech, it will be set the IP of the server that carries the web service that is manipulating the Unix, and the port and the virtual name of this web service. For proposed test, we will erase it and we will create everything from scratch. We'll create a new one. We check the communication. We have a good communication, and now we will obtain all the information of the license. Here is showing the modules that are activated in this license and the list of all the devices that we will be able to manipulate in this license. Now we save. This is the use case when you import the license to the system and you are making able to work the time attendance with the Unix that were provided for time attendance goals. Now we will set each unit that we have in the intranet of the branch or the company. Here is appearing all the list of the Unix. For now, this Unix don't have any more information than the MAC address and the default port of communication. So now we make a small synchronization with the Unix that we have. In this case, I only have one unit connected to the network. So here I found the unit. I obtain his information from the unit. I assign the time zone. I go to the settings of the unit if I want to change anything. This option, I am accessing all the settings for configuration that is able to set on the unit. Here is the MAC address that is not able to change. We can set the IP, is obtaining the title of the board. For identification goals, this is the IP. Monitoring, it will carry the IP of the server that will carry the log events, which kind of event we want to monitor. And in this case, we need to set also the web service settings, because these Unix will send the events of time attendance in real time to the web service. So when monitoring, we put yes, because we won't use the typical method of monitoring, and we will send the Unix will send the events directly to the web service. Okay, so now we need to add this unit to the zone that we want to add. Hold on, I forget to save the information of the unit. Once that we have saved the information of the device, we are able to add this device to one zone. In this case, it's already added to one zone, so we can see the status of each device. The MAC address that appear in red means that the solution is not able to get communication with that Unix. In this case, for now, we can get all the users that are available in this unit. In this case, there is only one user. If we want to delete users, we can do it, or if we want to delete only one user, we can do it too. For testing goals, we will delete the user. We access again. There is no users on the device. So now we will go to define the schedules. By default, in the application always will appear the 24/7 schedule. Schedule is covering all the days, and that is for default. So here we have defined one schedule from Monday to Thursday from 8 to 5. And now we will create a new access level. What is an access level? Access level is the concept that defines where and when the person is able to access. Where it will be defined by the device that the person will be able to make time attendance identification. When will be defined by the schedule that we already defined. For example, before to define the access level, we will be set the zone and each unit. Now I will delete every device. We are creating a new zone. Let's say Human Resource Department. Now I had erased all the zones and I had created a Human Resource Department zone. So I want to add a device. In the list only will appear the devices that are already set it with the information and that already have set the time zone. Time zone is very important issue for the calculations of the event and for define the work day. So I select this device, and like the application is able to detect the status of the device, this device appears in green. So here also I am able to access the users that are on this device. For now there is no user, so now we will enroll using this same device one person. So we go to the option employees. In this option we are able to manipulate